lots of footage for a podcast.
Yes, yes.
એને તો trim કરી શકે છે for very nice
Yes.
use and to educate children of our society
Yes, yes.
and to maintain world peace.
Definitely.
Okay, let's
Definitely.
start.
As a management trainee in Volvo Aisha.
Yes.
So how's your honeymoon period going on? Is it completed or are you still working on it?
Honeymoon period is still going on. Like it will go on for another a month or two. But right now, what I'm doing is I just wake up, I go to bath, and then I start to play game on my mobile.
Okay.
So it's like I don't have I don't have workload which has been given to my other colleagues. My work starts from 3:30. My work starts from 3:30 till 5:30. So what happens is that in between that time I am on my laptop, and apart from that I am just using my phone or googling stuff. Twitter, I'm very much active on Twitter. I just read tweets and all. So yeah, that's it. That's my life right now. And once I shift to Bangalore, definitely they'll start giving me some kind of work which needs to be done or which is of more importance.
No, like back in school days, I remember that you had this fascination with artificial intelligence and robotics.
I don't remember it. I can tell you that I had a fascination about robots, but
yeah.
no artificial intelligence. I don't know. I don't remember it.
The robots and then its integration with army technology and caves.
Yeah.
So, like, why you had this fascination back in high school? So, what type of kid you were back in high school?
I was a complete nerd. If I tell you, I mean, I would be sitting in one of the corner of the classes. Then no one would notice me. I was like a quiet guy, but as I remember it, I was quite a nerd. I used to play tons of video games.
Yes, yes.
I used to watch tons of movies, series, and whatnot. So yeah, I was kind of into that, and I started imagining things like, what if we integrate robots in our armies? What if it's something like that happens in future? And it was part of the movies. So yeah. That's it.
So I remember, like we both were together since 4th standard. Yeah, I guess. What do you feel that how have you changed since childhood? Since childhood and now, what's the difference between Harshal, which I knew in high school, and which I know right now?
In my childhood days, I was very naive kind of person. I used to believe in everything. I used to rely on people every time.
Yes.
Like even if we go out and I want to tell you that bro, I want to tell that guy to make our pizzas fast. So I'll tell you, go and tell him. I won't go. Apart from being naive, I was also not very much engaged in other activities like politics of schools, and there are things going on in your childhood, in your school days. Maybe mostly on starting from 8th, 9th, 10th. So you remember
and it became major in 10th, 11th.
Yeah, it became major in 10th, 9th and 10th, and then on 11th and 12th.
Yes.
So we know about one of the incidents where
yes,
we were in Sanskrit class.
We'll not describe it. We will not describe it.
Yeah, it'll beep if I say something else. What happened was, the change was not drastic. It took many years of failure, literally failure. For me, I can tell you that I don't think I have succeeded more than I have failed. I mean, I have never succeeded in my life. Like one of the success I consider is like getting a job right now. Major success.
Getting an MBA from IMT Ghaziabad.
No, it's not Ghaziabad, it's Hyderabad.
IMT Hyderabad.
So it's not a success. It's not the kind of success I wanted. But okay, it's fine that I got it. It was my backup option, and it's okay because IMT helped me a lot. IMT in this tough times helped me, with my maintaining with my job. So they were in talks with my company, and they were constantly in touch with me.
Yes.
So they were ensuring that I don't lose my job. So that's a great thing. I appreciate my college for that. But yeah, so uh, like I said, I was a very nerd kind of a guy till 12th. Till 12th, I won't talk to anyone. Like I won't straight away go to anyone and talk. I was an introvert back then. There's a pressure from your family when you're a small kid and you just repair a toy, and they're like, "बड़ा होके तू mechanic बनेगा." So it starts from that.
Yes.
वो वहाँ से शुरू होता है, and then it becomes a huge thing for family. And somehow I cleared my 12th, and in all the bit distraction, somehow I cleared my 12th and went to my UG to do mechanical engineering, and then that's it. That from UG the downward slope starts.
Okay.
Growth slope. But it made me, a bit matured in that field. Due to my financial condition, I wasn't, much active person back then in my mechanical engineering. I was in a lot bit of anxiety. I was in anxiety my entire UG. So there were episodes of anxiety, like anxiety attacks. There were anxiety attacks which I didn't want it, but still it happened with me. And so what I did was I spent most of the time sitting on lying down on a bed and just watching series and series. So in my UG, I watched around 25 to 30 series.
Oh.
And there was a time where I used to watch series like an entire night. I used to complete. I was binge watching a series. So I didn't like it, obviously, but I couldn't help but go somewhere and talk to people.
Yes.
Because there were anxiety attacks. I can't describe how I felt, but it was like I didn't want to do anything. I was just wanted to. I just wanted to disconnect it. I get disconnected from the entire world. So that was my issue back then, and that made a lot of differences with my friends. So there was the thing in my UG, and that made it worse. I got into depression. I started having anxiety attacks, everything. Then after I decided that after my UG gets over, I'll be a completely different person, and I'll start interacting more. I'll start talking to people more, and I'll not let this shit come to me. The finance thing, or I don't have money like those people. I won't be able to succeed like them. So I started to disconnect from everything. I started disconnecting from my friend circle. Till now, I don't talk to them a lot, but still,
Your
it's
friends
okay.
your friends from UG, undergraduate.
Yeah.
Yes.
So after that, in my vacation, I got into my MBA.
Yes.
MBA college, and that was completely different because a lot of people from different part of India comes and share their viewpoint. So it's like you meet different people there, and people with completely different mindsets. And so what the thing was over there was I can be myself and I can talk to people about myself. That is a change.
Yes.
And that's what I wanted, to people, not just bring me down, just pull me down, instead, be there for me and help me out. So there was a change, and here I am right now, being a complete different person. And I still try to fight my anxieties. I don't say that in my MBA days I didn't have anxiety attacks. I had anxiety attacks, but yeah, I'm still fighting for it. I don't know how I will, completely nullify it, but still I do different things now. So I try to not get into I try not to get another anxiety attack.
Anxiety attack.
Yes.
Okay.
That is my main motto right now. Oh, bro. No. No, whenever something clicks, like, okay, abhi anxiety attack aane wala lag raha hai mere ko. Kuch,
Yes.
your heart beating, your heart starts beating fast.
Racing fast. Yes.
Yeah. Then what happens is like you're okay, fine. Oh, shit. Something is happening. You're sweating it out. Oh my God. Then it's the start of an anxiety attack. What I do is I just completely switch places. I go somewhere and do something else. So that's how I deal with it right now. Still, it will take time. Let's see
Okay.
how it goes.
So from being shy and naive
Yeah.
to what you are right now, so you ultimately became mature. Like, what do you think?
No, I am not a mature person. Like, I believe maturity is a process.
Okay.
It's not a stage, where you have to reach and you have
So-
become mature.
so you're
It's
in
a
the
process.
process.
You just uh, you become mature each and every day.
Yes.
You learn new things. Some of people think that okay, इसने ये कर दिया, ये mature. It's not like that.
Yeah.
It's a continuous process. Like you do different things on different days. That's how you are.
Exactly.
And that's how you are being called.
So for maturity for you is what, like meeting different people, getting the experience of people, or taking up the responsibilities?
I believe it's owning your own shit.
Okay.
It's owning your own shit.
Get your shit together.
Yeah, getting your shit together and be you. I mean,
yes,
what you are, not what other things they want you to be.
Yes.
But yeah, that's what I call maturity, and like understanding things for from different perspective. Like if you tell me something about someone or some place, and I'll have to check whether what you are saying is right or not. So that's what responsibility is. Just not believing in others, but believing in yourself.
Working as a management trainee in Volvo Eicher. So do you really feel self-doubt or insecurity or vulnerability that are you going down the right path? You're in your mid-20s, obviously, so you have less things on your plate right now, but ultimately you will have to take so many things. So, like, are you excited or are you nervous for all this thing?
Oh, so okay, let me make this just clear. I don't have less things on my plate right now. I'm, very
no, as a working person, I would say, because you're not married, you don't have kids.
Yeah, but I still have loans. I still have to pay my rent.
Yes.
I still have to look out for myself, my family. About keeping that aside, let's answer your question about my insecurities in working in Volvo.
Being in your mid-20s.
Yeah, being in my mid-20s. That is an essential question. Yes. as the concept of the shows is this. Yeah, so let's answer this. Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely, there are there are insecurities. There are moments where I feel myself down. I was walking towards a downward path.
Yes.
But as I can tell you. My relationship with this company is just for a month. I'm in this company for a month, and I just have started working out, figuring out how they work, how they operate. Now, I have heard stories. I heard stories that once you become a part of VECV, Volvo Eicher, what happens is that you just become a part of VECV. You become a part of Volvo. There are employees who have stuck with this company for 15 to 20 years. So they are like, they appreciate this company really well. What I want with me is like, I want growth in my mid-20s. Every person in the mid-20s, in the 20s wants growth. They want to head towards something. They have a 5-year plan. I don't have a 5-year plan as of now, but still, they want to go somewhere. They want to be someone. And looking at that, I definitely feel insecure working in this company right now because I don't have that much of workload. And looking at the workload ahead that I will be, provided with, it feels okay. I can manage it. But the people in employees I talk to different colleagues of mine who are working here for more than 5 years or more than 3 years. They are like almost in 20s, the same age group as me. So they were like, yeah, bro, this company is really good, and they take care of their employees. So what happens is the people who work here for 2 to 3 years and they go out somewhere, and they are like, the industry sees them as an efficient manager.
Yes.
Because what this company makes you to be, and I believe that I will be following this goal as well. Working here for more than 2 years, I can be someone else, and I can be I can grow if I quit this company and later on join someone else, and I can be a really good manager or in a good post. I can be a good employee.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what my goal is right now. I feel insecure. Definitely, I feel insecure right now. But let's see what the future holds.
Insecure in the sense taking up this job, or
and definitely taking down this job. Like path. I see my friends working in a company who provides them with 30,000 phone, 40,000 laptop, 5 days a week, and they're totally working from home right now. Like the company have told them to work from home for the entire year. So the thing with my company is that I have a field job. I have to go to dealership. I have to talk to sales executives. I have to plan everything. I have to strategize how this month will go. I have to look after the supply chain. So no, it feels like I am into something kind of a boring job right now.
Okay.
And they are enjoying this phase right now. Like, but that's common, right? That's common in a mature organization. When you talk about large scale organizations like like Tata or Reliance.
Yes.
Obviously this will be the work culture. So I feel okay, it's fine with me right now, as I'll be able to grow. I'll be managing people who are way above my age. I'll be managing people within the age group of 35 to 50. So that will be adding to my CV, and I appreciate that. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I don't think about insecurities in that sense, but still I think about insecurities when I think of different people.
Okay.
So yeah, one thing I can tell people who will be listening to this podcast or watching this podcast is that when you compare yourself with others, you start to feel insecure. When you compare with yourself, like you feel really great about yourself. You're like, who were you a year back, 2 years back, and what have you achieved till now? Then you'll be feeling great about yourself. That's
So
how
you
you can,
Yes.
you
You have another goal to achieve for yourself.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So that's how you cannot feel insecure about yourself. When you compare yourself with others, like यार ये देख यार ये तो भाई मस्त बढ़िया मजे कर रहा है. He's having fun of, he's having best time of his life. Like oh भाई ये तो अभी US से चला गया, he must be doing great. अरे भाई ये तो कनाडा चला गया and he's just roaming everywhere, not doing anything. तो obviously मतलब you will feel bad यार, अब तो तुम इंडिया में ही हो, and look at the Indian political structure. पता ही नहीं कभी भी chaos हो सकता है. Then everything will went into everything is chaos right now. Everything is either leftist or rightist going on. You don't know what to do. What will you do in future? But looking at them, you feel like यार मैं भी चला जाता उधर, and I could have a different life. But deep down I know that I couldn't have a different life because my life was not like that. I had struggled. I struggled a lot, and struggle in the sense, struggle with my own anxiety, struggle with my own insecurities. So I couldn't be there where I wanted to be. Still, I believe I'm doing pretty good right now, and that's how I want me to believe.
Okay, having a belief, having a faith.
Having a faith that okay, bro, सब ठीक है अभी, कोई इतना कुछ problem नहीं है. Everything is going good till now.
Yes.
Don't worry about it, and everything is moving forward for you. I mean, there's a slope which is going upwards.
Yes.
Okay, it was stagnant for a while. एक सीधी line थी. Now it's moving upward.
Exactly.
Yeah, for you. So that's great for me.
That's end of the.
We can open a satsang television, satsang TV.